use what I had.
Huh?
Use what I had.
Baloney. Oh, it's a handyman?
A handyman cart. You've been wanting that cart?
Yeah.
What the hell? Where the fucking scissors?
I'm going to stand still. Somebody put this.
It didn't stick very well because the box was damp. Want me to get you some scissors?
I need something.
Look like we're out of scissors.
Can't get my fingers in these.
No whining, it's Christmas. This would be a gift for next Christmas by the time it gets open.
No kidding. It's gotta be a bread box. It just looks like one.
You've been wanting a bread box.
Thanks, dear.
No problem.
By next Christmas, you won't buy me nothing because I'll still be opening up this one.
I won't have to. This is a 2-year present. That's probably good enough on that. Just peel that top back.
Oh, yeah, right.
And fold the front forward.
Huh?
Fold that front forward. It's just taped on there.
We'll have to take the tape off.
I'll rip it.
This tape don't rip.
Where's that spinning around the rug?
Huh?
Nothing.
The presents that last and last. It's a train.
Oh, you can lift it out of there now. Or throw the paper out, I don't know. You ain't figured out what it is yet?
Bird feeder?
Yep.
You made it?
Yep.
How cute!
And the bird seed will, from here, I haven't tested it, theoretically should roll down into there. And then these are suet things they can nibble on with. Trouble is, you kind of screwed me up by being off yesterday, so I didn't get purchase for these made.
Supposed to be purchased here?
Well, somehow
How
we got to do
cute! Now, that's what you're doing out in the shop.
it.
Darling. So does it sit on something?
We haven't got that far yet. We're designing as we go. We're going to have to make a poster somewhere or another for a set.